no debt or student loan debt into the mix. It's just taking a much bigger bite.
The city authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Florida beginning at 6:57
The city authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Florida beginning at 6:57 a.m. and ending at 8:57 a.m. A Florida alert has been issued for a missing girl, a live female, 8 years old,
of the 1,700 London Clearwater
seen in the area of the 1,000.
White male, 6 feet tall, unknown weight, brown hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in 2017. 28. Law enforcement immediately. Information on the whereabouts. Florida Amber Alert has been issued for only some mutage. A white female, 8 years old, unknown height, unknown. 2007. Enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please.
Oh, WCVU.
During this 5, 8, 7, 6, 7, 3, 0, or 911.
Are you serious right now? Early in the freaking morning. Right in the freaking morning. I was sleeping in bed and this happens. You gotta be kidding me. This is like the second Amber Alert that got issued. The last time it happened was it was like 4 days ago. It just happened 4 days ago. Seriously, just 4 days ago. Back on the 25th, and now the 29th.